In this video, I will show you reply option not showing in Instagram. If you got a problem like this one, the first thing what you can do when you take off on it, you need to get off from your application, and then simply you need to go and check over the site selection, which needs to be, you need to get the latest version of your Instagram. If you don't have it, you simply need to get it. If you have it and also get the problem, you can simply reinstall your application and take it back. Or if you have an iPhone, you can simply go and offload the application, on which it will take that automatically. After you get done with that selection, you go simply open up your site selection. Then what you can do right here, simply go on the three dots on your right upper side, go for settings, and right here, as you can see, you have many different options, including the right one option right here. It is by scrolling down and going help. And then simply, as you can see, you have 4 different options. You need to go on the first one, which is report a problem, and then go report a problem on the third selection. And right after you get a preparing bar on that selection, from here, guys, you can display what's the problem, what's not working right here, and you're gonna say that you have a problem with the reply option because it doesn't show on your side screen. And also you can take a screenshot of that problem, or you can choose up and take a photo or a video from your gallery. Then just simply go submit, and then you will need to wait 24 hours to get a feedback from the supporting team of Instagram.